Dear friends, welcome to Chenagiri's Nursing Education Tutorials. In last session, we have discussed about definition of research. Today, I am going to discuss about the characteristics of research. Let us begin with the characteristics of research. The first characteristics of research is directed towards the solution of a problem. Yes, we are doing the research on a problem to solve that particular problem. The second one is emphasize the development of generalization of principles or theories. Yes, research is not only done for the benefit of single person or a particular community. We are doing it for entire community. Whatever we are developing principles or theories that should be applicable to each and every person. For example, wearing a mask in COVID-19 pandemic. This principle is for each and every individual throughout the world, including all age group people, to prevent the spread of disease. Next, research is based upon observable experience or empirical evidence. Yes, research is done based upon observable experience means the whatever research we are doing that must be observable to everybody and must have empirical means the result of the study should be measurable in terms of quality and quantity. The next characteristic of research is it demands accurate observation and descriptions. Means whatever observations we are going to make that should be accurate and should not be relative and must consist of descriptions. Next characteristic of research is research involves gathering new data from first-hand source or existing data for a new purpose. Yes, for each and every research need to be gathered new data or data should be from first-hand or primary source or available data for new purpose. The next characteristic of research is carefully designed. Yes, research is carefully designed means in the study of problem, a researcher or investigator first determine the steps of the study. Means what to do first, second, third, etc. For example, if you want to purchase a car, then what you will do first? That is gathering information about brands available in the market. After that, you will choose the model and version. Then you go for budget. After all steps, you will purchase a car. Next, the research requires expertization. Yes friends, common man cannot able to do the research and who is having knowledge about research, that person only can do the research. Research is carefully recorded and reported. Yes friends, what all the activities we are going to do while conducting research that can be recorded carefully and reported to higher authority. Next, research involves patience and unhurried activity. Researcher must be calm in nature and he must and should have patience because sometimes results of the study are time consumable. For example, you must give the time to cook the food. If you hurry in cooking the foodstuffs, you will lose the taste and quality of food. The next is research requires courage sometimes. Yes friends, research requires courage because sometimes investigator will come across with many harmful situations or life-threatening situations. Here we can remember late Miss Kalpana Chawla, space scientist who lost the life. Next, generalized to the population. Yes friend, the results of the research must be generalizable, means the principles or theory must be applicable to general public. The last one is it needs statistical evidence to prove the findings. The findings of the study must be statistically sound enough, means the result should be drawn by application of statistical methods such as mean, median, mode, standard deviation, etc. Next, research needs control to prove findings. Here, control means unstudy group. Means usually researcher keeps two groups. One is control group, another one is experimental group. In experimental group, he conducts the experiments, whereas in control group, that group is kept like that only. He do not conduct any experiment on control group. Finally, he compare the results between experimental and control group to draw a conclusion about his study. Here you just remember control and experimental group that I explained in detail while explaining research designs. Next, it should promote quality of care and standardization of nursing care. Yes friends, for what we are going to do research to improve our profession? Yes or no? Simply doing research is not useful. It must be fruitful and improve the quality and standard of nursing profession. So, students, we have discussed the various characteristics of research, such as research is directed towards the solution of a problem. It emphasizes the development of generalization of principles or theories. It is based upon observable experience or empirical evidence. It demands accurate observation and descriptions. It involves gathering new data from first-hand source or existing data for a new purpose. It is carefully designed, requires expertization, involves question for answer to unsolved problem, carefully recorded and reported. Research involves patience and unhurried activity, requires courage sometime. The results of the study must be generalized to the population. It needs statistical evidence to prove the findings. It needs control to prove the findings. Should promote quality of care and standardization of nursing care. Hence, here we can draw a conclusion that research, that is R means rational ways of thinking, E for expert and exhaustive treatment, S for search for solution, E for exactness, A for analytical analysis of adequate data, R for relationships between facts and theories, C for constructive attitude or critical observation or careful recording, H for honesty and hard work in all aspects of the treatment of the data. Dear friends, I hope all of you understood the definition of research and its characteristics. If you have not understood, watch the video again and again, then you may understand. Here, I use simple language and detailed description about each factor to make you understand easily. In next session, we will discuss the definition of research, that is, nursing research. Till that time, take care and thank you for watching and being with me. Thank you.